Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the HP Mouse X1000 and the HP Keyboard 100. So this is when you need a mouse and a keyboard. So let's just go ahead. First I'll unbox the mouse. So the mouse, it says it's a USB mouse, it has an optical sensor and it has 3 buttons. Alright, what else? The 3 buttons, they include a rubber scroll wheel. It's ambidextrous design for left or right hand use, and you don't require any software installation or setup. Okay, let's just go ahead and open this up. Okay, so the mouse comes in this little bubble wrap. As you can see, you remove it, there's a little plastic covering that protects it, and that's your HP Mouse X1000. Okay, apart from the mouse, you also get some documents inside the box. Okay, we just leave that in there and place the mouse to one side. All right, let's move on to the keyboard. So this is the HP Keyboard 100. It has LED indicators, it's USB powered, it has 12 function keys, 3 hotkeys, adjustable height, and this is actually a wired mouse, as you can see from the wire over here. And what else have we got? Okay, so it features a full range of 107 keys, including 12 function keys and 3 hotkeys. Natural contours and shape allow the keyboard to sit in a comfortable position for your wrists and hand. Connection is a breeze with USB connectivity. A durable design that holds up to the demands of everyday computing. Okay, it's height adjustable and it has a warranty. Okay, so let's just go ahead and open that. Right. And there you go. So that's the keyboard. Apart from the keyboard, you get some documents in the box. Place that to the side. Remove this. Okay. So that's the keyboard. So that's the, now when they say height adjustable, they mean these little stands over, these little feet over here which you can open and you can keep it up. These are the 12 function keys. The cable looks fairly sturdy. Okay, and there's the mouse. So there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing of the HP Mouse X1000 and the HP Keyboard 100. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.